Oh, I'm so sick.
Alina, what is wrong with you? Are you sick?
I think I have COVID-19.
Well, I think you should go to the hospital and take a test.
Oh no, I can't just go to the hospital right now. It's too hard for me. I wish there was a test I could take right here, right now.
Actually, we found such a test in Russia. Yes, produced by Rapid Bio, this small test can give you a positive or negative result in only 15 minutes based on one drop of your blood. Here you go. Wow, look at this. It's a rapid test. Take it. And now we have to wait.
Привет, я Лунтик. Давай играть.
And while we wait for the results, let's visit the lab which produces these tests. Here are the busy scientists, and they're working hard on researching how to make high-quality rapid tests, including the COVID test. They were eager to share their knowledge with us. Here is the test. And here is the head of the project, Anzhey Zhembiev.
Мы создаем экспресс-тесты для диагностики рядом с пациентом. В 2020 году столкнулись с пандемией, решили, что мы должны что-то сделать, и оперативно переориентировали нашу работу в область коронавируса, решив сделать первый тест, российский первый тест на определение антител к коронавирусу по капле крови. То есть с помощью этого теста можно определить непосредственно наличие самого вируса за 10 минут без необходимости ввести образец в лабораторию.
As you can see from this preview, all it takes is a drop of Alina's blood and a drop of a special buffer solution. It starts reacting, and we will learn the results in a bit. Meanwhile, let's take a look at the production of these tests. These cute ladies are working hard to supply the demanding hospitals with enough of these rapid tests. They get very shy when they see the camera because they are used to serious work and creating the future. They are assisted by the custom-made robot designed to make the job of the scientists easier. So let's not distract them from their work and just quietly share this video as a thank you for their efforts. Alina, 15 minutes are over, it's time to see the result.
Yeah.
You don't have COVID.
Ah!
Let's go party
Yeah,
time, party time. Let's go have a party time, party time, party time. Subscribe to the Meridian expedition to learn more about sustainable development initiatives, scientific research, and innovations in different countries. See you soon, and don't forget about our private diaries on Patreon. We make good quality content there as well, and it's one of the means of supporting the expedition. See you! Thanks for watching this episode of the Meridian Expedition. We're looking for clever initiatives in different countries and are eager to share our findings with you. See you soon!